Alright, dinner time. Num nums. They're so cute. They need to learn to wait their turn. I don't think you'll be able to see the actual feeding. Well, maybe a little bit. Yep, that's, you can see it a little bit.
Yeah, over the phone. Very good. Very good. There you go. Okay. All is good.
While she's doing that, the notes can be all changed.
Okay. Oh, the blanket things?
No, not the blankets necessarily, but the keypad.
Oh, why did you change, oh, the key again?
Yeah, now they've quieted down.
Oh, yeah.
They're all quiet. Oh, I wish you could hear the lapping sounds. That's all you can hear is lapping. They're awfully cute, though.
Go lie down, thank you.
So today we, since Kennel 10 has been,
Okay.
they had all of Kennel 10 all week, you know, without the gates there, and they've resorted to peeing on the veranda bed that was in there. So I did put the gate back up today. And my friend Brad has been peeing in his kennel also. So him and Podrick got put back together up top here. So I don't know. I believe that is. Hey Grace, what's in the dog bowl? Is that a goat's milk? Just goat's milk. That is goat's milk.
Where you going?
Yeah, just to get them some extra calories, I think. So it's not just water. It's yeah. So it's goat's milk mixed with water. So.
Good job.
Okay, what else? What else went on today? Nothing too exciting yet. So it seems to be after I punch out and go to leave is when all heck breaks loose. Or all donkeys break loose. Yeah, I didn't get to talk to you on Wednesday because Carlene was busy emailing, so that's when I got to sit with the puppies. I got to sit with Lainey on Wednesday. That was nice.
Yeah.
Right. What one's packing your boots?
Is Rai in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's chaos. Yeah.
Okay, good job. Good job. Hold on. Brian helps clean the dishes.
Who's that sneezing?
Martina.
Oh.
Wasn't Rhino.
All right.
All right, we're done.
Wrinkle seems to be doing well. As far as I know, she does have her own Facebook page now. I think it's Wrinkle and Me, Our Story. If you're on Facebook, if not, I'm sure people who were on the Facebook page will carry a photo over or a story over now and again. But she seemed to be doing very well when she was here. So I haven't seen much. My phone is not really working, so I haven't really seen it much. But how's Lainey? Does Lainey still have a fever?
Yeah.
Yeah, she does still have a fever. So.
Good job. No, okay. No, thank you. No, thank you. That's all of that. Thank you. Hmm?
Riot's not gonna share her pillow.
But they can get out?
Oh.
You say- I'm sorry, I thought you just said they couldn't get.
Well, not while they're inside here,
Oh, okay.
but if you were on, well,
Yeah,
it's much easier when you're feeding, supposed to open and pull things out.
yeah.
Chaos is getting antsy too. She knows it's almost feeding time.
I'm gonna attack the boot.
Yeah.
As long as I don't poop in the boot. And you don't know about it. You put in, squish. Nothing about, hey! Hey!
All right. No, nothing to, woof.
Oh my,
Yeesh.
It's
Yeah.
taking a flying.
No, nothing different, nothing that I know of.
Okay.
She's, I'm still, we're still, I think, waiting for Josie. That's,
Silly. Yes, I'm silly.
I keep looking at her, and whenever I walk by every now and again, so. When will the two litters get to meet each other? I don't know.
Are those blacks still sleeping? Are
Somebody's about to tip over that poop bucket.
That's fine.
Uh-huh. When will the puppies get to meet the two litters? Do they? Yeah. Yeah, we don't always do it right away. Like, you know, when they are a few weeks apart, and so that's a lot in, you know, this early in the game. So maybe another month or so. I think when they're a little more equal, they might get to meet, I think. Any other questions this afternoon, or can I go start my weekend? Woo, weekend.
Go for it.
Any updated weights? I think they will. No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. I'm sure they'll post them when we do it.
Come on.
Okay.